Today we are doing PDO threads to help with upper and lower lip lines. PDO stands for polydioxidone. This is the same material that surgeons use in the OR, and they will dissolve on their own. So they stay in your skin for anywhere from 6 to 12 months, but the entire time they're in there, they're making you make collagen. So the ones that I'm referring to are actually like little shorter ones, because I know in other videos I've talked about the longer ones, and those can last for up to 2 years. But these are little baby threads that can just make you make collagen right around them. So I'm going to show you a typical procedure for around the lips. So we're going to use a couple different kinds of them. And all right, our patient is getting psychologically prepared. She's very, very tough. She has no idea what's happening, but she's happy to be on video. So, okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so take that away for a sec. And then I'm going to start over here. And here's your way over here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hi, hi. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. And beautiful. How was that? Was it okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, ice again. She did great. All right. So there are different types of threads out there. There's smooth threads, there's twisted threads, there's barbed threads, there's infinity threads, all sorts of them. So we like to use a combination of all of them. But for the barbed ones and the infinity ones help to lift, and then the twist ones give a little volume, and then the smooth ones just help smooth things out. You ready again?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. She is a trooper. Okay. I'm going to cover this little line right there too. 1, 2, 3. Cover a little bit of the smile line. There's also different sizes of these threads. 1 inch or 2 inch. Okay, we're going to go bottom now. So ice again. I'm going to put 1 in the bottom there, 2 in the bottom. You can use these really anywhere, so we will use the smooth or the twists in nasolabial folds, in the lips, lip lines. You could do it along your jawline, you could do it in your neck. We do the barbed ones, the infinity ones to help lift breasts or lift face or lift necks or lift brows. So you can put these threads anywhere. They are wonderful. Okay, you ready? I haven't seen anybody have an allergic reaction to these, so that's good. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, here we go. And all crawl. There we are. You doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
You're so tough. Does that hurt?
No.
Okay, good answer. Okay. I like that answer a lot. Okay, so I feel like they come at 4 in a pack, so I'm feeling like we do one more in the upper lip, because this upper lip is taller. So let's ice up there again one more time for me. And so usually with these types of threads, I have people come back in about 8 weeks and repeat this whole thing. So that's what she'll do. She'll be super happy to do it because she'll get to see me. Okay. I'm going to cross that line right there. 1, 2, 3. Hi, hi. And we're going across. You got it. Beautiful. Okay, good deal. All right, that side's done. Let's start icing the other side. Now, because these have a needle on the end of it, you can bruise. But so if you have a big event, you wouldn't want to do this right beforehand.
Mm-hmm.
But okay, let's see again. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Hi. So it's always one side that hurts worse than the other, isn't it? So afterwards, really, there's not a lot of aftercare for this. You could have a little bit of swelling. You could obviously have a little bit of bruising, but there's really nothing you need to do for these particular smooth or twist threads. So that's nice. Not like the lifting threads or the barbed threads. I always tell people do not bounce and do stuff like that. But if you're doing your breast or your face or your neck, but these, you just go along your day. You ready? Here we go. Ready? 1, 2. I know we're coming in from far, but we have a lot of ground to cover right there. You got it. You got it. Awesome. Let's do the down now. Ice one more time. Do the lower lip. And this should give her a little bit of a pout too. Like if it pulls up her lip a little bit, that would be super cute. I mean, they take only a few minutes. Ice is the best numbing. Sometimes people do numbing cream, but you gotta wait longer for the numbing cream to take hold than it does for the procedure to be done. So really like ice, it's fast. Are you ready? And like I said, she'll come back and she'll repeat this in about 8 weeks. 1, 2, 3. If she was doing the lifting threads, she wouldn't necessarily need to do this again. But see, she did great. So other places, like I said, you can go right along. We could put like 30 of them along her jawline and help give her a lift. You can even put them under her eyebrows. You can do the nasolabial folds. You can even put them in the nose. So lots of fun places to put threads. If you want to learn more about them, are you tearing? Or are you just sad that we're, she's crying, but just tears of sadness that it's over. Yes. But if you want to find out more about PDO threads or about any of the procedures that we do, you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and our website at RejuvenationMD, medspa.com.